That was the last nail in the framing. That's pretty exciting. And the thing's pretty rigid now. She was wiggly wobbly till you get the last nail in. Anyway, what we have here is the opening for my forge, for the chimney. And got that all boxed in. And yeah, I'm going to hang up my carpenter apron and put on my masonry apron. I'm a wee bit handier at the carpentry, but anyway, we'll see how that goes. The chimney on the cabin went okay. But I think if there's a word that describes how I feel today, a single word, it would be outstanding, because this project's pretty much getting close to completion, the building part of it at least. Yeah, a day will sheet the roof and get my soffits and fascias on, and yeah, first fire in the forge. Done. One side finished. I got soffit, fascia, trim, battens. I didn't think it was going to be a shop, but it's almost pretty enough to move into. Yes, sir. Coming along. Hey, top of the morning, Beau.
Hello, Peter.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
And help. I have help today.
Oh,
this
good.
is wonderful. And you've brought it.
Brought your ash dump here.
Wow, look at that. All restored for me.
Yep.
Isn't that grand? Now the moment of truth. So I've got my, I've got the bed fabricated over here, but I've been pondering whether I oriented those two holes right.
Well, let's try it
Let's
out.
check it out. Look at that. How sweet is that, Beau?
Gonna work?
That's gonna work.
Good.
So Beau did some work on this, and typical of his artistic flair. I don't know if we can get a close look at that, but he's done a fancy little swirl even on the ash dump part of it there. And you said I can actually switch this side to side for the shaker?
Yeah.
Great. So all I got to do now, Beau, is get a stone forge built and a stone chimney, and yeah, we'll be having our first fire here shortly. That's grand. That's just outstanding.
Good.
And the shaker there. That's going to work, Beau.
Okay, good.
So enough metal work onto some woodwork. What do you think?
Sure.
I can sure use your help. Flip it over.
Let's go this way. I've got some rough.
That work? What do you think, Beau? We coming along?
I think we're almost ready.
Ready for a break?
Yeah.
How about a nail?
That sounds good.
It's getting warm.
Yeah,
getting
it's
warm.
hot out.
It's amazing how much more you can do with 2 extra hands.
Yeah.
Like especially that front there. That was really helpful. Anyway, my friend here, Beau Becket, friend for all my life. I've known his parents, so we go way back.
Yeah.
Your parents and I. But Beau's a blacksmith, and he has a YouTube channel, and it's just called Beau Becket.
Yeah.
Company, I think it's called Beckett's Blacksmithing.
That's right,
Yeah. Anyway, worth checking out because
Right.
he's really good at metalwork. But I don't know how handy he'd be at woodwork, but he's pretty good. He can hit the nail every
hit the
time.
nail,
he's run a hammer before.
Got some practice with that.
That's for sure, for sure. Beau tells me now, after we've been at this all morning, that he's not comfortable with heights. He never told me that till now. You're okay there, Beau?
I'm
You
okay.
good?
This isn't that high.
Anyway, so one of our people wrote in on one of our comments. His name's Jeff, and he's talking about sharing some family history, which a lot of folks have been doing. And Jeff tells me about his great-grandmother who was born in the 1800s. She lived to be 107. And he said she told great tales of horse and buggy days and what it was like before electricity and all that. But one of the stories she told was she was collecting walnuts, and she was standing on top of the horse's back picking walnuts, or not walnuts, chestnuts out of the tree, and the horse bolted. So apparently she maybe developed a fear of heights as well. I'm not sure, but thanks, Jeff, for sharing that story.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've got the front and back soffits and fascias done. Everything's done now except the roof and a few battens on the front, and ready to build some doors and onto the forge. And that's where I could really use your counsel when you get down to that.
I'll have to come back.
You think it's going to work?
I think so. Yeah, for sure.
Looks pretty good, I think.
Yeah, I think it'll work.
Anyway, shall we nail some more boards?
Sure. We'll get
You
back
good with
at
the
it.
height? You sure?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Fine.
Let's get at it. Here, I'll give you the hammer and you set that up.
Yeah,
And
man.
I can watch you hammer nails all day, Beau. You're doing good. You're doing really good. So you sported a big beard there, Beau.
Yeah.
How old is that? How long you been growing that?
3 years. It's my COVID beard.
A COVID beard,
Yeah.
wow. And any plans to you're gonna see how long it can grow?
We'll see how it goes. It's still growing, but
Tad dangerous around the forge.
it is.
Get a few sparks in there, eh? So a wee bit of history about the beard. The 18th century was known as the beardless century. So it was very unpopular and uncouth and considered dirty to wear a beard. And even on the frontier, they'd make an effort to, maybe not if they were on campaign or something, but they'd make an effort to shave. And along comes the 19th century, and it's appropriate because we're building a 19th century blacksmith shop here. So it's appropriate to have the beard. I should have one now too. Beards became very popular. And in fact, you weren't considered a real man unless you had one. So that's how fashions changed. Anyway, don't let me stop your nailing, Beau. You're doing a good job.
last nail.
All right. All right. All right, guy afraid of heights, you're done good. Okay? What do you think?
That looks pretty good.
Good,
Along well.
good enough to live in. Yeah, I'm pleased. That's going to work out nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
This is going to be a nice shop. It's good size.
Anyway, my friend, I know you got to get out on the road.
Yep.
I can't thank you enough.
Yeah,
This has been
no problem.
this has been a huge help, especially getting those soffits up and
Yeah.
It's turned out really good.
Well, good. Yeah, I'm
And,
glad to be able to come out and give you a hand.
When you can come out anytime. I mean, I ain't about to turn down free help, but next time you get here, we'll have a working forge, and then maybe you can share some of your wisdom with me.
Sure. Sounds good.
Looking forward to it, Beau. Anyway,
Well,
safe
till next
journey,
time.
eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, safe journey.
See you later.
Bye now. Hey, don't be taking my hammer now.
Oh, right.
Now just try. That's my favorite hammer right there.